Getting in and out of your car is a high-risk area for an assault, and it is known as a fringe area since many attacks have happened by cars. When leaving a store or building, you need to look ahead to your car and make sure there isn't anything out of place that may be a risk to you. If you see someone standing by your car, then use contrasting options. Think of the person as a good person, but also as a potential bad person, especially if it is a stranger. Is the person just loitering because they are bored, or do they have an interest in you? As you are walking to your car and notice someone watching you from their car, then speed up and get in your car as soon as you can. Lock the doors immediately and leave. Remember the body language that makes you less of a target. Number 1, walk fast and with a purpose. 2, have your head up and stare at someone if they make you nervous. Remember to use your eyes to basically say, "I see you." This sends a subconscious signal that you are a fighter, and that is not what a predator wants. It also shows you're aware and ready if they try anything. And lastly, you have looked at them enough that you can identify the person if you need to. Number 3, have your keys out and ready to unlock the door the minute you are about to leave the store. And number 4, have your dominant hand open and free of bags or a purse. If you see someone next to your car, then go back into the building and ask for an escort. When there are 2 people involved, you will not be a target. I have done this many times before, and it's easy to find another person to walk with you. Above all, remember to live in condition yellow, be aware, and trust your intuition at all times, and these tips will keep you safe. Be strong, be empowered, and be confident.